Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in this tutorial, on behalf of my agency Data Link, we are going to present an amazing workflow and an AI automation system, an operating system that will be helping you to scrape the leads and whatever domain the leads you want in whatever kind of domain, like construction, marketing, real estate, and a lot of domains are there, and we can add more domains here. And then here you will need to add title and location and everything, and then here you can start lead generating process and email sending process. Then this is the next AI agent that once you have data you can start outreaching process. So this is something how it will be working. I am going to give you a live demo, and first of all let me just delete this whole data, and yeah, let me delete this whole data so that I can give you live demo. Okay, now still we have some data. I am going to clean this whole, and sorry, so just let me clean this whole data. So now it is clean and you can see nothing is there. So we have clean sheet with title, name, and these are the fields that we will be scraping, that we have set up in background. Okay, first name, last name, email, title, bio, LinkedIn URL, address, industry. And this was the one major problem that we have solved. Basically we wanted to sell our automation, but we didn't know that how we basically scrape the leads in a large domain and in large scale with a specific domain and location. So we just solved this problem using this N10 and Lovable and Google Sheets and everything. So I am going to give you demo. So first of all, let me and also we have utilized this Apollo AI scraper that we have integrated in N10. So I am going to start the process, and I need basically I want to so education management. I need I want to sell my workflows, let's suppose for healthcare, or let's suppose utilize accounting, and whom I want to basically send emails and want to target. So I need managers. Okay, and the location I want San Francisco, one of my favorite place, Silicon Valley. Okay, San Francisco. And then how many leads I need? So basically in here you can set the limit. From minimum is 500 and maximum is 50,000. Okay, for 50,000 it will take up to 10 to 20 to 30 minutes to scrape all the leads with all the information that we have specified. But for 500 it will take around 1 to 3 minutes or 2 minutes minimum. Okay, so I am going to start the process. So accounting domain we have selected, job title we have selected manager, and location is San Francisco, and lead number of records that we need, we have selected 500. So our sheet is very clean and neat. So I am going to show the run here. The run should start. Yeah, you can see the run is started here. You can track this on your Apollo API scraper as well, that API file that we are using. And yeah, and you can also track this. So these are the automations that we have connected with our UI. There are 3 automations, but right now I'm going to show you 2 automations because third one is not important for now. So this one is the first automation workflow that is connected with this this UI start lead generation process that we have just started. And you can also navigate to the executions and you can see the run. So it is running. Okay, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to scrape all the records. So 100 records has been scraped, and we can, let's see, okay, I guess yeah, so it is basically, let me see if it is targeting my previous run. Unfortunately, but it is scraping lead, but it is using my previous data, so no worries at all. but I can just show you the results for now. You can focus on results. There is small bug that we will need to resolve. Okay, so you can see yeah, it is getting personal emails, first name, last name, their industry emails, and then personal email if anyone has, organization name, organization URL, organization LinkedIn URL, and yeah, title, photo, industry. It has basically targeted the construction industry. This is my mistake because it has basically fetched my previous information. There's a minimal bug that we will need to resolve, but this is not a big thing. We will show you the results. So yeah, this was the previous thing that we selected, Florida state and everything. Okay, so yeah, it will take some time. Let's see how many 200 records have been scraped for now. Once all the records will be scraped, it will save in the sheet. So this is how this end-to-end automation workflow is working on background. So we have just defined the HTTP node here, in which we have defined the API actor, and we are appending 2 sheets. We have just added delay of few seconds. So why we are appending 2 sheets? One sheet is we need stall data here, okay, and the second we need name and email, again name and email of all the leads here for tracking purpose whom we have sent the email. And flag is once we get reply, the third workflow that I'm going to not present for you. You can just leave that one. So yeah, flag is basically sent or yes or not. So this sheet is for another trigger, which is this one, email outreach. Once you will click start sending emails, then emails will be starting sending to all the leads, and this will be sent yes, everything. And here, let's see, once it will be completed, we will be able to see the data. Let's see how many records have been scraped. 300 records have been scraped, and it has taken 3 minutes 14 seconds. Sometimes it take you can just assume 100 leads per 1 minute. And this minimal UI we have developed within minutes using Lovable. And yeah, so this workflow, why this workflow is important: if you have developed something and you want to, now you have not time to find the leads and sending them messages one by one, this is very time taking. So to solve this problem, this will help you to save your time and efforts. So you will just define the domains, and here industry, target, job title, location, number of records you need, and this AI agent will scrape all the leads from that specific location for you with this specific data. Once you have data, you can just start sending second email outreach process, which is basically to then sending the emails to the leads. So means you don't need to do any efforts. So you will just need there will be human in the loop once there will be replies from the leads. Okay, then you will need to tackle the meetings and everything. We are developing third workflow that will also be tracking the replies and sending them your calendar link to book the meetings, and then you will be able to engage with them. But right now there are only two workflows that are most important: lead generation and sending outreach. These are the initial steps to sell your product or to start the selling process. So how many records? I can see 300 records still we have scraped. Okay, it is completed, and now we will be able to see the data. You can see we have first name, last name, email, okay, bio and everything, all the data we have. But ignore this small bug. So it has basically fetched my previous query, so therefore it is fetching general contractor from construction field. It was my previous query that I was testing, so we will fix that. So you can see we have now 300, within 3 to 4 minutes we have now 383 leads. Okay, and now we can start sending them emails. This is our second process. So yeah, it is completed, and you can see in execution it took 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, and yeah, let me first again give you some more information here. So you can see it has taken how many 4 minutes and 15 seconds, and it has basically scraped 382 records. Okay, and so this is how it is going to work. And now I am going to show you another workflow, which is the lead generation, leads outreach process. So this is an AI agent in a loop that will be basically start sending emails. So just add loop here and save. So I am going to start this process, and I will then show you the emails, and start sending emails. Okay, once you will click on this workflow, you can see here, so it is running, and so it has started sending emails. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are just fetching all the data from sheet number 2. Okay, we are sheet number 1. We are fetching all the data, and we are just providing data of each lead to this AI agent which I can explain you. So yeah, this is our system message that we have just defined. You can define it on your based on your requirements, like add a data link. We are specialized in building delivery cutting edge and successfully deliver wide range of AI powered automations from everything. And then we have just this is something we have just defined the system message here. And in system message, we are basically also passing all the data of that specific lead. Like here you can see, so here I am basically I am giving some context to AI agent. So okay, you can see I am giving first name, second name, email, title, bio, which we are scraping from LinkedIn, and address of address, industry where he is or she is working, organization name and organization description, so that agent can basically for craft personalized emails. So we can see here it is running. Let me show you, and let me now stop you, otherwise it will start sending emails to everyone, which will take some time. I don't want to send email everyone for now, but I can show you some results for now. And I am going to stop this process from execution. So I am going to stop this process, and now I can send the email that has been sent already. So if I come over here and let me refresh it, so now you can see the emailing process was started, and you can see the email was, these emails are these sent number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So agent is crafting emails and then starting sending, so it will take some time. Okay, so I am going to show you the emails, and here if I show you, now you can see the that how it is going to basically format the emails. And here you can see, first of all, it has Dear Abby, I hope this message find you well. I am Ahmed from Data Link. I was impressed by the sophisticated and everything coastal and construction service. So we to agent we were giving the information about that specific industry where this lead is working. So therefore you can see this agent is crafting personalized emails. A general contractor specializing in custom homes and everything, and designed to help you in business like yours, project automation, streamline, and this is service we are basically offering. So this agent is described everything and sent email to Dear Abby. So now once I will be having response, then I will be further in human in loop to tackle this. And it has also added the website of my agency, which is datalink.com. Yeah, this is how this agent is going to solve my problem, and now I am able to sell my automations very easily, and I can reach out 50,000 leads per day. Okay, and this is something we have developed. This was the major problem that we were doing some research how to solve. Then we found Shopify actor and we set up everything, and now we are on our way to sell our products very easily. So if you learn how to sell, then you can be a billionaire or millionaire. So selling things is very important, that you should learn and understand, and then start selling your things that you are developing. Until you don't show, no one will know about you, that what are you doing. So if you need this workflow, I am targeting founders, managers, directors of the company. If you need this workflow, you can just reach out us on our LinkedIn or on our email, on our agency, and on our Skool community. All the links will be available in description, and we can set up this for you in your system for $5,000. And yeah, we can set up everything from setting up these workflows, creating UI based on your requirements, and integrating up API factor. Everything, we will handle everything, and the cost is $5,000 of this whole AI operating system. There is another one workflow that will help in human in loop, that is basically tracking the responses that we are building. Like once we send the emails, now if there is any reply from that lead, then there will be another agent, third agent, which will track the response and will ping you that one of these leads have reaching out to you or have booked the meeting. So we will also set up that in this package, and if you need this, we are really excited to integrate this AI operating system into your system for your sales process, so that you can save your time, and you can spend your time more on ideas and critical thinking rather than sending emails and finding the leads and everything. So this is something these AI agents will tackle. So thank you so much. If you need these workflows and everything, we are ready to help you, and we are ready to integrate these into your systems. And please do subscribe our channels, and in future we will be uploading more amazing AI operating systems for you that will solve your critical problems and save your time. Thank you.